Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with part 2 of the bump out build. So as you can see, I've already installed the drywall from bottom to top, or top to bottom, whichever way you want to call it. I still have to put in my corner beads, which I have on this side right here. They both already cut to length. And basically, I'm going to use the compound, which, by the way, this is the 45-minute compound. So it's sandable after 45 minutes of set time. So I'm just going to put it on the corners and then come back and press these vinyl corner beads on there. And then you also, once you press this into the compound, then you come back and then cover this also with the compound. The first coat is to help this stick, and then you come back and cover this as well. Okay, so far it's coming out pretty good, but that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. Okay. As you can see, all my electrical is tied in already. Everything's ready to go. All the screw holes, all those where the screws are, you cover those as well. This is the first coat, so I'm probably going to be putting 2 to 3 coats on here, depending, especially on the big joints here, because the reason for that is because you have a factory edge going up against a cut edge. So if you take, I don't have my my knife over here, but I would show you the difference in the angle. If you look down the side, you could see that this one, for example, would be higher than this part. And I think right in here you can see this is the cut edge and this is the factory edge, because it's rounded, so it's a little thinner. But other than that, oh, and also I use the mesh, self-adhesive mesh tape on the joints first before applying the compound. But yeah, so it's coming along. The next step, like I said, is 2 corner beads, scrape and sand the high spots, and actually I'm gonna block this off. I'm gonna wrap it around with some plastic drop cloth. I gotta make myself some jacks that's gonna hold the plastic up against the ceiling and the floor. So I'm gonna enclose this completely, because once I start sanding, here in Florida we're already experiencing hot weather, so their AC system's on. This way none of the dust that's in there will get sucked in to the return and then come out the registers. Eventually they'll have to change out their filter, which I'm going to recommend anyway. Plus I'm going to leave the drop cloth plastic up, because when it's time to ready to paint, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I don't want none of that stuff floating into the rest of the house. But yep, so there it is. As you can see, it's coming along. And in the third video, I'll probably just go ahead and do a completion video after everything is finished, sanded, painted, the bottom molding is done, and maybe even fireplace in place, mantle, floating shelves, furniture, and then the little hideaway shelf and cubby up there as well. I'll show you guys that. But as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the bell notification also for updates on new and upcoming videos, uploaded videos. Also, this is what they just had done to their backyard, that gazebo, looking pretty nice. I'm going to be helping them with the electrical on that as well. But once again, thanks guys. Catch you later.